Archangel Michael, please protect the collective. Protect me while I channel the message. No weapon formed against us in flesh or in spirit shall prosper. Spirit guides, use me as a vessel so I can channel accurate message. What does the collective need to know? It's 333. It's 333 on the clock. Healer of the Ages is out here. I've got an Emperor energy. I've got a leader. I've got a leader. You are leaders. Just natural born. It's in you. Yeah. The Hanged One with the Hierophant. It's almost like, yeah, with the Temperance Angel, you have gone through a mean-ass spiritual awakening. A lot of bullshit. A lot of bullshit. A lot of conflict. People willing to win at all costs here type energy. And you had to awaken to the fact of who you are. You're here to lead. You're here to teach. You're here to be a guide for somebody else in some way, shape, or form. And you have been battling a satanic organization of people working together, fighting all kinds of spiritual attack. I mean, we're talking black magic. We're talking sex magic. We're talking addictions, sex addictions, spiritual offerings, and oh boy, does this collective know what the fuck rock bottom feels like.